Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Elevance Health, a leading player in the healthcare industry. We'll explore their third quarter 2024 earnings, discuss the challenges and opportunities they face, and what it all means for investors like you. Stay tuned for an insightful analysis. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Elevance Health reported its third quarter 2024 financial results, highlighting an operating revenue of $44.7 billion, a 5.3% increase from the previous year. The company faced challenges in its Medicaid business, impacting its operating gain and earnings per share. Despite these challenges, Elevance Health is taking proactive measures to enhance operational efficiencies and remains confident in its long-term earnings potential.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total operating revenue for the third quarter of 2024 was $44.7 billion, an increase from $43.2 billion in the previous quarter and $42.5 billion in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP earnings per share (EPS) for the third quarter of 2024 was $4.36, down from $5.45 in the same period last year. The adjusted non-GAAP EPS was $8.37 compared to $8.99 in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The health benefits segment reported operating revenue of $38.3 billion, up from $36.7 billion in the same period last year. Carelon's operating revenue was $13.8 billion, a 15% increase from the previous year, driven by growth in Carelon Rx product revenue and the acquisition of Paragon Healthcare.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the third quarter of 2024 were $5.269 billion, a decrease from $5.47 billion in the same period last year. The adjusted operating expenses were $4.29 billion, down from $4.698 billion in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include total assets of $160.533 billion and total liabilities of $72.654 billion as of September 30, 2024. Shareholders' equity was $43.775 billion.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating cash flow was $2.7 billion for the quarter. The company used $3.529 billion in investing activities and had a net cash outflow of $215 million from financing activities.
Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
A fourth quarter dividend of $1.63 per share was declared, payable on December 20, 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The company announced an $8 billion increase to its common stock repurchase program, authorized by the board of directors.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report, or discussed by the management.
Key risks and challenges include navigating a dynamic operating environment, unprecedented challenges in the Medicaid business, and the timing mismatch between Medicaid rates and acuity.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Elevance Health expects 2024 GAAP net income per diluted share to be approximately $26.50 and adjusted net income per diluted share to be approximately $33.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Elevance Health's overall performance shows resilience in revenue growth despite challenges in the Medicaid segment. The company is focused on enhancing operational efficiencies and remains confident in its long-term earnings potential, although it faces earnings decline in the short term.
That's all for today's analysis of Elevance Health's third quarter 2024 performance. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about Elevance Health's strategic direction and investment potential. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.